the Cubans were working under conditions of servitude, which is why I said to myself, how could Mr. Golding, in his budget contribution, speak about workers' rights with the passion he did, while ignoring that the Cuban arrangement, which he criticized the government for ending unilaterally. Here's what Golding said about our workers. He said, the abuse of contract worker arrangements has become a matter of national shame. Workers in some industries are employed for years, sometimes decades, on repeating short-term contracts that deny them the benefits and protections afforded to permanent employees. This undermines the family's long-term security and weakens social cohesion in our society. It must end. You seem happy to leave things as they are. He was talking to the Prime Minister, the government. We would not do so. We would ensure that genuine workers receive genuine rights regardless of the legal form of their contracts. We would be passing comprehensive legislation to eliminate these abusive contractual arrangements. That is building back better than